Hello everyone, welcome to Let's CSE. Today in this video, I will discuss adder. We know adder, subtractor, these are combinational circuit. Combinational circuit and what are the combinational circuit and sequential circuit. In combinational circuit, there is no feedback path. What do you mean by feedback path? Feedback path means what we get in output is used as input also. That means taking the feedback of the output we are using in the input, that is sequential circuit. In this video we are discussing about combinational circuit. There is no feedback path, that means output will not be used as input. Okay, adder and subtractor are, these are combinational circuit. In this video I will discuss half adder and full adder. Okay, half adder. What is half adder? What is half adder? This is 2-bit adder. Okay, half adder is a 2-bit adder. Suppose A and B. How many combination will be there? 4. 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. Correct? So 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In adder, what do you understand by adder? Simply the summation, and while doing summation there will be a carry part. Suppose if we in binary if we are adding 1 and 1, what we will get? 1 0 2, that means 2. 1 and 1 will give 2. In binary what is 2? This is 1 bit. So this is my sum and this is the carry part is 1. See, in 1 bit we are considering 1 bit here. So the least significant bit will be the sum, and the most significant bit, which is the 1 here, will be the carry part. Okay, so first we will write carry, then sum. Okay, 0 and 0, what will be the sum? It will be 0, correct? No carry will be here, so here will be 0. Okay, now 0 and 1, what will be the sum? It will be 1. Okay, no carry. 0 and 1 will, there will be no carry here. Simply 0 and 1, sum 1. Okay, similarly 1 and 0, no carry will be here, sum is 1. Just reverse of it. Now 1 and 1, this one, correct? Carry will be what? 1 and sum will be 0. I have shown you. This is the carry part and this is the summation part, sum part. Okay, so this is the 2-bit adder. Now the block diagram. What will be the block diagram? 2-bit adder. This is the 2-bit adder. 2-bit adder. What are the inputs? We are giving input A and B. See, A and B are the input. A and B and what are the output? Sum is the output and carry is the output. This is my block diagram. Okay, this is my block diagram. Now writing the carry part, sum part. What will be the sum part? We are writing the sum of product. That means mean. We are taking the mean product, 1 and 1, which is summation of 1 and here 2. Okay, what will be A complement? Carefully watch it. A complement B plus AB complement. Correct? What is it? XOR B. This means A complement B plus AB complement is A XOR B. I hope you know this. Now the carry part. What will the SOP expression for carry? See, A and B is AB. Right? Now if you want to draw the circuit diagram of this, how we will draw? A and B is XOR. We will take A and B and do the XOR of it. This is the XOR. I hope you know this. This is XOR. This is A XOR B. We have simplified this. We can also do the using AND gate and OR gate. Okay, we are using the XOR gate here, doing the simplified form. Okay, Now the carry part. This is my sum part. Now the carry part. A and B. This is AND. This is my carry. Okay, A, B. I hope this is our half adder. Okay, I hope you understood. You can take a screenshot of this part. Now we will see how full adder works. This is the half adder. I have shown you and explained the half adder part. Now how full adder works, the working of full adder. So let's start. Now in full adder, this will be full adder. Okay. Now we will understand the full adder. Full adder. Full adder is a 3-bit adder. Okay. Half adder was 2-bit adder. I showed you. A and B was the input only. Now in full adder, it is a 3-bit adder. A, B and C are the inputs. So what are the inputs? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, incrementing by 1. Now similar to the half adder, the output will be same. That means there will be a carry part and there will be a sum part, right? Now see, 0, 0, 0, what will be the sum? 0, common sense. 0, 0, 1, what will be the sum? 1, showed you earlier. 0 and 1 is, sum is 1. Now carry will be 0 here. 0, 1, 0, what will be the sum? 1, carry 0. 0, 1, 1, forget the A part. 1, 1 is what? 1, 0, sum, this is 0, nothing will matter. So sum will be 0, carry will be 1. 1, 0, 0, sum 1, 0, carry will be 0, 1, 1, this is 0. That means we are doing sum of A and C. 1, 1 is 1, 0, carry will be 1, sum will be 0. Now 1, 1 here 2, carry will be 1, sum will be 0. Now there, see, there are 3 ones. 1, 1 is sum 1, 0. Okay. Now we are doing another sum. This is A, B. We are doing the C also sum. Plus 1. That means 1, 1. Carry will be 1 and sum will also be 1. Okay. So this is my truth table for full adder. Okay. Now what is the block diagram of it? Similar to half adder. Only the input will be A, B and C. There will be 3 input, 3-bit adder, 3-bit adder, and output will be same, sum and carry. Only the one thing will be changing. See, another input will be adding. Okay. Now what is the SOP expression for sum here? Let us see. SOP expression for sum. See, 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 4, then 5, 6, 7, then 7. 1, 2, 4 and 7. We will be taking this part into consideration. That's the mean term are for 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4 and 7. Okay. So what will be the expression? Now see, for 1, the expression is A complement. A is 0. That means we are taking the mean term. 1 we are considering. So A complement is 0. A is 1. We are taking the A means 1. A complement is 0. B complement C. Then for 2, A complement, B, C complement. For 4, A, B complement, C complement. For 7, A, B, C. Right? A, B, C. Both all are 1. Now we have to simplify this part. How to simplify? See. We will take the common A complement. See, A complement is common for both 1 and 2 expression. So we will take this A complement within bracket B complement C plus B C complement. Okay. Now from here we will take A common, B complement C plus BC. Okay. Now see, this part is B XOR C. B XOR C. I already showed you in the half adder. B complement C plus B C complement is XOR. And here see, B complement C complement plus B C complement. This is B part is B XOR C whole complement. I will show you. A complement, here A complement, bracket B XOR C plus A B XOR C whole complement. Now here let B XOR C equals to X. So what will be the expression now? A complement X plus A X complement. What is this? What is this? A XOR X. A XOR X means A XOR B XOR C, right? A XOR B XOR C. This will be the expression for my sum, correct? Now, this is the expression for my sum. I am highlighting it. Okay, this is my expression for sum. Now carry. See the SOP expression for carry 3, 5, 6 and 7. 3, 5, 6 and 7. Expression for the same by doing the same method. We are getting this expression. Now we'll simplify this expression. Okay. How we will simplify? From first to expression, we will take C common. See, A complement B plus B. A B complement plus, now these last two expression we will take AB common because the AB are same. C complement plus C. This part is A XOR B, correct? A XOR B, and now C complement and C is 1. We have read the ones rule. C complement plus C. Sorry, we have read the complement rule. C complement plus C is 1. So this expression will be A C bracket A XOR B plus AB. This is 1. Okay. So this is my expression for carry. Correct? We have got the sum expression and carry expression. Now we will draw the circuit diagram of full adder. I hope you have copied this part. See the circuit diagram of full adder. Here are 3 inputs A, B and C. Now see, this is the carry part. This expression is carry. First we are doing A XOR B, this part. We are doing this part, A XOR B part. A taking A and B, doing XOR A XOR B. Then doing AND with C, Carefully watch it, doing AND with C. Then taking the whole part A C within bracket A XOR B and doing AB. See here A and B, doing AND here. Then taking the both the expression and doing OR, that means plus this plus this, that means carry. This one we have done. Okay, now we will do the sum part. Sum part is very easy. See, we have already done the A XOR B part. We will simply take this. From we have already done, that's why. Now A XOR B is already done. We will do the XOR with C, taking C and doing the XOR. This is my sum. A XOR B XOR C. This is my sum. This is my carry. This is my sum. This is the circuit diagram of full adder. So I hope you all understood the full adder and half adder part. Now very often a question comes, draw full adder using half adder. How we will draw this? Very often in many exams this question comes. Okay, now how we will draw that? Okay, now how we will draw that? First A and B. Okay, here we are doing XOR. Sorry, my gate is doing XOR, and now this A XOR B, and we'll take a AND gate here. We'll also do like this, A and B here. Okay, there is another input C. You are drawing the full adder, that's why. Okay, so this is A XOR B. Now we will do a XOR with C. A XOR B XOR C. So this is my expression for sum. We have got. Now another AND gate we will use. Another AND gate we will use. We will take this part and we will take C from here. This is my C A XOR B. This part, carefully watch it. This part we have got. This part we have got. Now remaining is AB. Here we have done AB. This is my AB. Right? Now we will do OR with this. Simply doing OR with this. That means C A XOR B plus AB. Right? Now, what was the question? Draw a full adder using 2 half adder. Okay. Question was like this. Draw full adder using half adder. See, we have used half adder. Remember when I drew the circuit of half adder, we used a XOR gate and a carry for using AND gate. This is my carry and this is my sum for half adder. This is one half adder. I hope you remember, this is one half adder and this is another half adder. One XOR gate and one AND gate. Here see, this is the sum, this is the carry. In the circuit diagram of half adder, I hope you remember, one XOR gate and one AND gate. So using 2 half adder, we drew a complete circuit of full adder, sum, and this is the carry. Okay, so this was our video. This was my video. Okay, so I hope you all liked, and please if you learned something from this video, please don't forget to like, share and comment, and press the bell icon to get notified for the next video. Thank you.